Hello students, welcome again to this online tutorial. Myself Vimal Sojitra. I hope you are well in this time. Today again we are going to learn about computer. We will start chapter number 2, that is uses of computer. We will learn today what is computer and uses of computer. So let's start our today's topic. First one is, what is computer? A computer is a machine. Now you all know what is a machine. Machines are man-made things, that is made by man. In the same way, a computer is also machine. It needs electricity to run. With the help of computer, we can perform different tasks. It is used to write, draw, do sums, play games, listen to music, and watching cartoon films and movies. Apart from this, a computer is used for so many tasks. So, which are the uses of computer? Let's understand this. Uses of computer. A computer can be used for so many tasks. For example, we can use computer at our home. At home, you can use computer to do your work. We can also play games, write letters with the help of computer. In our daily life, we are using frequently the computer. Second one is office. Computers are also used in offices. We see many persons are working in offices. These persons are called employees. In offices, computers are used for typing and printing documents. Next one is banks. What is bank? A bank is a place where you can withdraw and deposit your money. So banks uses computer to maintain accounts of their customers. Computers are also used in ATM machines. You can withdraw your machines, or also nowadays you can also deposit your money to ATM. So we can say computers are also used in banks. Next one is schools. Computers are used in schools for learning purpose. In computer lab, we can use computers. In schools, computers are also used for teaching purpose. In library, computers are used to maintain records of books. Librarian issue the books to the students, and after that librarian keeps record in computer. In schools, computers are also used to maintain the records of students and teachers. So we can say computers are very useful in schools. Next one is in airports and railway stations. In airports and railway stations, computers are used to make reservation and cancellation of your tickets. If you want to go outside through aeroplane, first you need to do reservation at the airports. This can be done with the help of computer. In the same way, if you want to go outside by train, first you need to do reservation, and this is also done with the help of computers. So we can say computers are used at airports and railway stations. Next one is at hospitals. In hospitals, computers are used to keep record of patients. It also helps to prepare health reports. So in this way, in our daily life, there are many uses of computer. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.